Hey, my name is Brenda Reyes, and I will be giving you a speech about the Flint, Michigan water crisis. Children exposed to high levels of lead in drinking water suffer from irreversible, lifelong brain and nervous system damage. The children of Flint, Michigan are some of the many children exposed to lead in their drinking water every year in the United States. Flint, Michigan is one of the most recent and one of the most tragic events that has happened in our recent history. So in order to understand what kind of effects that lead in drinking water causes, this next slide will show you what happens. So in adults, the symptoms include headaches, irritability, reduced sensation, aggressive behavior, and difficulty sleeping. For children, lead is more harmful and it affects developing nerves and brains. For example, loss of developmental skills, behavior and attention problems, hearing loss, kidney damage, reduced IQ, and slowed body growth. So of course these are terrible effects that lead in drinking water causes, but we need to understand how these events unfolded. So it all started when Flint found itself in the position of verge of bankruptcy. So they started finding out ways to reduce spending. So one of the ways that they started to reduce the spending and keep more in budget is to stop buying drinking water from Detroit. Now Detroit was charging them approximately about $11 million every year for their drinking water, according to an article on Vox. So that is a lot of money. In this next slide we can